Today, I'm gonna talk about a step which I think is very necessary, guys. Else, you're gonna get a generic Copilot output if we do not customize it based on the way we write. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add custom instruction inside Copilot so that you do not generate or create a generic reply which looks quite machine written. Alright, so for that, what we need to do here inside Copilot is you need to click here on settings and now go down here and click on Copilot. Then here in draft instruction, you need to click on use custom instruction while drafting email. Alright, now here you can play with these three settings, which is tone, length, and format. Once you set it, Copilot follow your style automatically. So let's talk about what are these custom instruction. Well, custom instruction tell Copilot how to write, how you want reply structured, what tone to use, how detailed responses should be. Instead of editing every email manually, you define your style once and then you're gonna get this result every time. Now let's talk about what can be the value of this tone. So for example, the tone can be professional and direct, friendly but concise. And actually I'm gonna place all these examples in the description of this video. So from there you can simply copy and create the settings for you that meets your taste. But still I'm gonna go briefly talking about the remaining 2 points, which is length and greeting. So in case of length also, you can make it like, if you want short summary style or medium detail or detailed explanation. Or in case of format, you can also let Copilot know that use bullet point, use number steps, or start with a summary. Alright. So for example here, what I can do is I can put here something like this, where I am clearly defining that this is the tone I need. This is the length generally, I want him to keep whenever I am taking help of Copilot. Then structure, the structure should be bullet point for clarity and so on. So it totally depends on you, I would say, and the way you want it to be. Alright, now all we need to do is we need to click on save. So in this way guys, we can create custom instruction and refine the output generated by Copilot. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such productivity content. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.